We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox for students. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your computer and click on the Sign Up button if you don't already have an account. You'll need to enter your name, email, and create a password. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Dropbox homepage, which is your online file storage area. To upload a file, click the Upload button on the top right, select Files from the dropdown, and choose the documents or files you want to store from your computer. This is perfect for keeping your assignments and notes organized and accessible anywhere. You can also create folders to categorize different subjects or projects by clicking on New Folder in the left panel, giving it a name, and then dragging your files into it. If you're working on a group project, you can easily share files with classmates by clicking on the Share button next to a file or folder. Enter their email addresses, and they'll receive a link to access the files. Remember, you can control their access permissions by setting it to either View Only or allowing them to edit. Dropbox also has a feature called Paper, where you can create and collaborate on documents directly in your browser. This is ideal for joint essays or presentations. To use it, click on Paper in the sidebar, then create New Doc, and start typing away. Your work will be automatically saved as you go. For more space, consider referring friends to Dropbox or looking into their educational discounts for students. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.